For today's video, I've decided to make a shoe-shaped press cutting pattern knife out of these original press cutting pattern knives used to cut the pieces out to make the shoe. I've started by drawing the shape of the shoe to use as a rough guide. Just looking through these old patterns, I can find some of the angles and bends I need. I mean, this piece here fits in there a treat. I'll just cut it off there and reshape it. This piece here, look, fits round the heel nicely. So yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. I've now cut out all the useful pieces out of the knife, so I've just cut that off. This piece here will fit round the toe like that, just wants reshaping slightly. This is for the heel, that'll fit in there. This piece, fold round there and then bend back round for the heel there. And I've also just cut the brace out of this, and this will do to help brace the shoe when I've welded it back together. So I shall just start by reshaping this piece. In the vise, give it a tap with a hammer. And that's already started to take shape. Okay, I've now finished hammering and beating the steel into shape. So that's the bottom of the heel and the underside of the shoe. This is around the top of the shoe and the back of the heel. And that's a bit hot, that is. And this is the front. I've just started putting the braces in. So now I'm going to weld this together first. Put that together first, and then put the braces in. Well, that's it. Looks alright. The only problems I had was with this corner. I tried folding a corner and it didn't work quite well, so I had to cut out a proper corner and weld it in. But apart from that, it's really good, and I can't wait to try it. Here goes. Look at that. What's the treat? I don't know what I'm going to do with them though. And I've also made a boot one.